Hello and welcome. This is Shreya and you're watching Peace News International, starting with the headlines. All India Social Leader Conference held at Gyan Sarovar in Mount Abu, India. Former Deputy Prime Minister of Nepal graced the event. B.K. Munni was warmly welcomed by B.K. Sudha on her arrival in Moscow, Russia. Beautiful cultural performances were presented. And a workshop was convened at the Brahma Kumaris Meditation Museum in Washington, D.C. Author Peter Gazardi and B.K. Jana addressed the gathering. Now the news in detail. Let us begin the bulletin with the news from the international headquarters. The All India Conference by the Social Service Wing of the Raj Yoga Education and Research Foundation of the Brahma Kumaris was held at Gyan Sarovar campus in Mount Abu. The topic of the seminar was Happy Life and Healthy Society. Raj Yogini Dadi Janki Ji, Chief of the organization, and Bijay Kumar Gachdar, former Deputy Prime Minister of Nepal, graced the conference. Hundreds of social service representatives from all over the country witnessed the event. Let us have a look on the report.
कदम कदम पर चलाने वाला चला रहा है, हम चलने वाले को हाथ में हाथ दे, साथ पकड़ के चलना है मिलके।
परिस्थिति के विरुद्ध में इस ओम शांति का संदेश लेकर के हमारे नेपाल के दूर दराज में जो कार्यरत थे, मैं नेपाली बहनों को, भाइयों को भी इसी समय में विशेष धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं।
On this occasion, Dr. Nalini, former district governor of Rotary International from Indore, India, explained that the inner self is always yearning for its full-fledged nature of being at peace, and the Brahma Kumaris show a way to achieve this. B.K. Santosh, chairperson of the Social Service Wing, and B.K. Raj, head of Brahma Kumari services in Nepal, also shared their views.
जब हमने अपने व्यक्तित्व के साथ साथ किसी समाज के व्यक्ति को दिया तो निश्चित मानिए कि हम भी सुखी होंगे, हमारा समाज भी सुखी होगा।
हम सब ईश्वर दाता के बच्चे हैं, हमको देना है और उनको प्राप्तियां करानी हैं, तो देने में हमेशा खुशी होती है। जब हम सामने वाले से कोई भी अपेक्षा नहीं रखते हैं, निस्वार्थ होकर उनकी सेवाएं करते हैं, तो उस सेवा से हमें जरूर खुशी मिलती है।
सेवा क्या है? सच्ची सेवा, रियल सेवा। आज हम लोग हेरते हैं, देखते हैं, धन है, मान है, सम्मान है, सुंदरता है, सबके पास नहीं, लेकिन कोई के पास तो है, लेकिन मन की शांति, सदा सुख उसके पास नहीं है।
B.K. Amir Chand, Vice Chairperson, B.K. Prem, National Coordinator, and B.K. Avtar, Headquarters Coordinator of the Wing, also highlighted the services initiated and gave details of upcoming programs.
Senior Raj Yoga teacher and programmer manager for the Brahma Kumaris, B.K. Munni from Mount Abu, India, visited Mayak Mira, the Brahma Kumaris Retreat Center in Moscow, Russia. B.K. Sudha, director of the Brahma Kumaris in Moscow, warmly welcomed B.K. Munni along with other prominent guests.
B.K. Sudha extended heartiest greetings to B.K. Munni and described her divine qualities of love and generosity with which she is serving humanity and is contributing successfully in the management of the Brahma Kumaris.
ड्रामा का ही ये वंडर है कि ये वो छोटा सा 3 रूम का फ्लैट आज इस बड़े घर में बदल गया है। बाबा का वंडर है और बाबा के परिवार का वंडर है, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय परिवार का वंडर है कि आज हम इस घर में दादी तो नहीं है अभी, लेकिन दादी के साथ जिन्होंने बहुत वर्ष बिताए हैं वो आज हमारे बीच में हैं। और केवल वही नहीं, उनके साथ उनके लौकिक और अलौकिक दोनों ही परिवार के मेंबर्स यहाँ पर हैं।
बहुत 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 उमंग उत्साह के साथ आप सब बाबा के बच्चों से मिलने के लिए आए हैं। और जैसे ही हम यहाँ द्वार में प्रवेश किया, वैसे ही मुझे एकदम से दादी और दीदी, दादी प्रकाशमणि और मोहिनी दीदी याद आ गए। और दोनों ने जैसे मुझे कहा, आप अकेली नहीं आई हो, हम आपके साथ हैं। और दोनों ने दोनों हाथ पकड़े और उनको साथ लेकर के ही मैंने बाबा के इस भवन में प्रवेश किया।
B.K. Prakash, B.K. Srinivas and B.K. Ramakrishna from Mount Abu, B.K. Neha from Ahmedabad, Dr. Praveen Kumar Jain and Dr. Meeta Mehta from Mumbai. Russian artists and B.K. members gave performances based on traditional Indian songs to express their love and gratitude for B.K. Munni.
I love my India, ye mera India. I love my India, watan mera India, sajan mera India, karam mera India, dharam mera India.
Now the news from Washington DC. A workshop was organized at the Brahma Kumaris Meditation Museum in Washington DC. The event was graced by author Peter Gazzardi, who shared profound insights on the topics like listen to your longing and choose compassion. Do you already possess what you long for most?
Take this issue that's top of mind for you and then run it through the 9 emeralds and just see. You might not feel anything right away, but I suspect you're going to feel a shift in the way you deal with this issue in your life. And maybe you can shoot me an email a few days from now or a week from now. Or maybe you're up for talking about what happens in the course of just this next 10 or 15 minutes.
B.K. Jenna, Director Brahma Kumaris Meditation Museum at Washington, D.C., shared her insights.
You just have to go through whatever you have to go through. It's going to be fine, whatever it is. It's just that when you're in it, one of the questions is that you own the stuff so much that you sometimes forget the treasure that's in the stuff. You know, you sometimes forget the treasure. And perhaps us going into all of the different scenes is that there's a treasure that we were missing.
B.K. Vedanti, regional coordinator of the Brahma Kumaris in South Africa, was on a spiritual tour of Mauritius. Various programs were held on her arrival. She visited many centers including Rose Belly Center, Quarter Bones Center, Diamond Retreat Center in Fleck, Cure Pipe Center, Global Peace House and many more. Furthermore, B.K. Vedanti also met with the Prime Minister of Mauritius, Pravind Kumar Jugnauth, and gave brief introduction about the Brahma Kumaris organization.
Apart from this, programs are carried out at schools, colleges, banks, organizations, and community centers.
Moving on to Philippines, a youth retreat was convened at the BK Retreat Center in Tagaytay City for spiritual learning. 38 participants were a mixture of students, artists, leaders, and young professionals. The aim of the retreat is to guide the youth participants to find their meaning and purpose in life by firstly knowing and understanding who they really are. National Coordinator of Brahma Kumaris in Japan and the Philippines, B.K. Rajni, and Senior Raj Yoga teacher from Taiwan, B.K. Murin, guided the retreat. Thanks for watching Peace News International and have a great day ahead.